and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see your recently viewed reels on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to see what reels you have recently viewed on your Instagram, all you gotta do is simply go to your Instagram app. Once you tap open your Instagram, go to your profile on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Then tap on the three lines that is on the top right hand side and simply scroll through your activity. Once you're in your activities, you can simply scroll down below and tap on Reels. Now, it will show what you have shared particularly, but if you have to see what Reels you have viewed recently, go to your watch history. Now, once you go to your watch history, here will be all the reels that you have recently seen. Now, you can also arrange the order to see the newest to oldest, the dates, and the particular author of that reel. So, this is how you can simply see how many reels or what reels you have recently viewed on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.